Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chrissy Pips. Now, it is 101 Wednesday, and in today's video, we are going to go over bullish and bearish engulfing candles. Now, I use them to identify like trend continuations in the market, reversals in the market, and even exits, and I'm going to go over all of that with you guys too. Now, as always, if you're here, you're interested, so let's get into it. Okay, so first things first is let's go ahead and go over the definition of a bullish engulfing candle. Now, bullish engulfing candles give you the strongest signal when they appear at the bottom of a downtrend. They indicate a surge in buying pressure. The bullish engulfing candle pattern often triggers a reversal of the current trend as more buyers enter the market and drive price up further. Now, the pattern involves two candles with the second candle completely engulfing the body of the first candle, okay? So I'll show you an example here. Now, in the example, you see the red candles going down. You see a small sell candle followed by a large green buy candle, okay? The green buy candle is completely engulfing the red candle. That means the body of the buy candle is completely covering the movement that the red sell candle made. Now, let's go over a few pro tips, okay? Now, price action must show a clear downtrend when the bullish candle pattern shows up. The large bullish candle shows that buyers are aggressively entering the market. When it shows up, this pattern can provide a bit of a bias towards future upward momentum. Now, traders can then, after this candle pattern shows up, look for confirmation that the trend is really changing direction. So this can be done by using indicators, key price levels, price action, and that's all things that come after these two candles show up, okay? After the engulfing candle pattern. Now, just to reiterate, here is our example. You have the red candle, smaller than the green candle. Red candle on the left, smaller for sellers. That means their momentum slowed down. Bigger green candle shows that buyers showed up, okay? Okay, so now let's go over the definition of a bearish engulfing candle, okay? Now, the bearish engulfing candle pattern is just the opposite of the bullish pattern. It gives you the strongest signal and it shows up at the top of an uptrend. It indicates a surge in selling pressure. Now, the bearish engulfing candle pattern often triggers a reversal of an existing uptrend. It shows us that more sellers have entered the market and are pushing the prices down. Now, the pattern involves two candles. As always, it will always be two candles with the second candle completely engulfing the body of the previous green candle. And I'll show you an example. Now, in this example, you see the green candles going up. It's a small buy candle followed by a larger sell candle. The larger sell candle completely engulfs the green candle. And remember, with the engulfing candles, we're not taking into consideration the wicks. We're just looking for the body of the second candle to completely engulf the body of the first candle. So if wicks make the first candle longer than the second candle, we're not using that as part of this information, okay? So now let's jump on the charts and find a few examples. Okay, so we are on the 4-hour time frame on ACAD, so Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar, and here is an example. So I'll box it up for you, and this is our bearish engulfing candle pattern, okay? And I'll zoom in a little bit more for you too, just so everybody can see everything. So we had price moving up, followed by a smaller buy candle, and then a larger sell candle that completely engulfs the smaller buy candle. Okay, so this price moved up, and then this was our indication that price was about to turn around and go down. Now let's find another example. And this is our example of a reversal. Okay, so buyer momentum followed by a slowdown, and then seller momentum. Sellers came in strong and took over. So let's find another example. So for the other example, all we had to do is look left. Okay, now this was our upward momentum, and we got a bit of a pullback here, but this was bullish engulfing. We had a small sell candle followed by a very large buy candle, which was an indication that buyers were very strong in the market and wanted the uptrend to continue. So this example here is our reversal example. This example here is our continuation example. It happened in the middle of a trend. So let me box this one up. So reversal, continuation. So let's look for another example. Okay, so here's another example where we find the first sign that the market kind of wanted to turn around. We got small sell candles followed by large buy candles back to back, and then it happened again here. So like I said, buyers said, hey, we are here, we mean business, because this is a huge candle, right? So small sell candle, very large buy candle, strong push to the upside. That gave us a great indication that the trend wanted to continue. So that is our bullish example. And now I would definitely suggest like just going through your pair and seeing how frequently and how accurate this is for your pair. I'm going to leave some information in the description box below with the definitions and everything again for you. But go through your pair and see if you can identify it. Train your eye to identify these bullish and bearish candles. Like you see another one here, small followed by big, small followed by big, small followed by big. So the market gives us these indications over and over and over in the market. We went from having a very strong uptrend to small followed by big, very strong downtrend. Now, why are engulfing candles important? Now, engulfing candles help us find reversals, indicate when a trend may be getting stronger, and assist us with exiting the market. Okay, so reversals, finding reversals is pretty self-explanatory. It allows us to enter a trade at the best possible level and then ride that trend until it gets to the next reversal. Okay, so we were able to, even if you got in like back here or back here at the bottom, you were able to get in down here, small followed by big, right? And then it kept telling you like, hey, it wants to continue. We're getting a pullback here, but we want to continue. Small followed by big, we want to continue. We wanted to continue. It gave us the information that said, hey, we're going to keep going. Hey, we're going to keep going. And then this small followed by big was in the opposite direction, right? It was the opposite color, which meant, hey, this is a reversal. Okay? So just I'm going to go over that again, just in case you didn't catch it. So black is our sell followed by buy, right? Sell followed by a bigger buy. Sell followed by a bigger buy. And then when we got up here at the top, it was buy followed by a bigger sell, which was an indication of a reversal. Now, trend continuations, that's what we did back here. We wanted to continue, so the second candle is always going to be the one in the direction that you want to continue in. So a trend continuation, we look at the engulfing candle pattern to support the continuation of the existing trend. For example, finding a bullish engulfing candle pattern during an uptrend gives us more conviction that the trend wants to continue. So we found sell followed by bigger buy, right? And then again, sell followed by bigger buy. Sell followed by bigger buy. Each time we found a sell candle followed by a bigger buy candle, gave us an indication that this trend wanted to continue. Okay? Now, lastly, like the third thing is exit strategies. The candle patterns can also be used as a signal to exit an existing trade if you're holding a position in an existing trend, which is coming to an end. So, like I said up here, we got to our buy followed by a larger sell candle, which flopped on us. It flip-flopped. It showed us that the market didn't want to continue up. It wanted to start to go down. And then it confirmed that again 2 candles later. Small buy followed by larger sell. Remember, the second candle is the one that we always want to be larger. Okay? And it kept doing that, So this is like our exit strategy, or the way that you can use the engulfing candles as a way to find your exit. Now, a limitation of engulfing candles can arise when the pattern turns out to be more of a retracement than a definite change in direction. But you can look for like subsequent price action to reduce the likelihood of this undesirable outcome, right? So just pay attention, like always look left. We always look left to find other areas of structure in the market and things like that. We don't use engulfing candles as the be all end all for our strategy on our team at all. But this is a very strong indicator or another piece of confluence that we use. Okay? Okay, and let's head over to notifications for new subscribers. Shout out to the new subscribers: Prophet Jazir, MKFCOM, Mark, Don, Derek, Asia, That's So Ray, and Toy. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for joining the family. Welcome to the family, cousins. Hey, we not shy here. So if you guys ever have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. But as always, I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, old and new, everybody in between, okay? We are not shy here on the channel. A lot of the suggestions and comments and things that I get help me to produce more content for you guys that's valuable to you. So don't be shy. Drop a comment below if there's a topic that you would like for me to touch on. And like, even some of the times that you guys give me suggestions, they actually help me learn something new, because I like to like learn the material so I can give it to you guys and explain it to you in a way that like makes sense for everybody. So we're not shy here. Drop a comment below if you have a question, comment, or concern. I love to read the comments. But as always, if you enjoy the content in this video, please don't forget to like. Hey, so that you don't miss out on what's next, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Just like I said, comment below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And as always, if you think that anybody else can find any value in the content that I'm putting out, go ahead and share it on social media. It is greatly appreciated. But as always, I hope you guys are having an awesome and productive day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.